Recently, we talked about how you can make money from your phone by making short videos about 15 to 30 seconds long and getting paid for it by companies. Now, I showed you a particular app to help you jumpstart this side hustle in part one. But now this is part two of the video that you all requested, and I'm going to show you how to expand your income through doing this side hustle called UGC and how you can start making hundreds of dollars in 30 seconds. All right, y'all, let's get into it. What's up, money makers? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. Now, along with your New Year's resolution, I know making more money is on the top of your list. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you how you can use this side hustle called UGC to make more money directly from your phone. And now, if you all missed the first part of this video, that is okay. I'll do a quick rundown on what exactly UGC is. UGC stands for User Generated Content. As a UGC creator, what you're going to do is offer brands and companies 15 to 60 second short videos doing a quick review on their products or showing yourself using their products. Now, the reason why this is an amazing way to make money and why companies even need you to do this is because it's all about social proof. Social proof is what companies use to make sales in their business. So people want relatability. People want to know that other people that look like themselves are using this particular product, and they want to be convinced that they should purchase the product as well. So this is why brands are using you to create organic-like content for them that they can use on their social medias. This is why you do not have to have any followers in order to make money with UGC. So I hope that that makes sense. But in this video, I'll be breaking down how to go from making just $50 with the Billo app to actually scaling this to a sustainable income. So let's get into it. Let's go over 4 ways that you can take your UGC side hustle to the next level. Number 1. You can create and sell your own user-generated content. So if you have a talent for creating high-quality content, you'll be able to sell this to businesses or organizations. So if you are a photographer, then you can sell your photos to companies or websites that need visual content. So UGC isn't just about videos. You can do written or video form of content. So what you can do is create a portfolio of either content that you have written or content that you have created through video. So you want to pitch yourself to different companies and different brands that you find either on social media or even local businesses that you can find. Now that is a gem, y'all. If y'all want to really make some money with user-generated content, go to the local businesses around you and pitch yourself to them and tell them that you will make content shooting your feedback of their products. So here's an example. If you live near a food truck and you see that they're lacking in customer base, you can go up to them and say, hey, I am a content creator and I can help you get more sales by creating user-generated content for your videos. So what you might do is videotape yourself going to that food truck, purchasing the food and eating the food and leaving an amazing review. And then you can sell this video off to the business itself and allow them to use it on their social media pages so that they can get more customers to their business. Because again, it's all about social proof and people are looking for real, relatable, and organic experiences when they are purchasing a product. And this can go for any type of business. I just use the food truck because food is on my mind. Number 2 is actually leveraging a social media following that you might have in order to get paid. And this is going to be the best way to make the most amount of money. If y'all didn't know, brands are paying a whole lot of money to be presented in a content creator's video. These brands can be paying $1,000, $3,000, $5,000. I've even heard of brands paying $20,000 for one video just to be presented in front of your audience. Now, Cut out the myth that you need to have a lot of followers in order to make money this way. Actually, brands are going to micro influencers and paying them to do sponsorships a whole lot more than they're going to the big influencers. Why? Because people trust smaller creators more than they trust the Kylie Jenners of the world. So what you can do is reach out to a brand and let them know that you are a content creator with this amount of following in this niche and that you would like to do a paid collaboration with them. Again, this is going to be one of the best ways and one of the highest forms of UGC that you can create. The third way to make money with UGC, and this is going to be without having followers. You can sell your UGC on stock content websites. So there are so many websites that allow you to sell your user-generated content as stock content to be used by businesses or organizations. And this can be a great way for you to monetize your content and reach a larger audience. Stock video and stock photos are what I use all of the time. Matter of fact, let's insert a stock video right here. And all of this is people that pre-created content and sold it on different websites. Here are a few websites that you can sell your videos on: Uscreen, Udemy, Amazon Video Direct, and Venmo on Demand. And that is just to name a few. There are other big companies like Shutterstock that also allow you to sell your videos as stock content. Then the fourth way is similar to the way that I told you in video number 1, using the Billo app, but there are so many different marketplaces and websites out there that are connecting brands with UGC creators. Now, I understand for a lot of people, this sounds like a lot of effort, but let me just say that everything that you do is going to have to come with some effort. However, I do have a business training program where I show you how to start making some money in your sleep. Now, the methods that I teach you are going to range from some really super easy ways to some methods that are going to require a little bit more effort. However, the great thing about this training program is I give you 8 different business ideas to start and how to start them with step-by-step tutorials. I mean, it is amazing if you are looking to build a passive income empire. Make sure that you check the description box because this program is going to help you start making money in your sleep. Now, make sure that you check out these next videos because I'm showing you some more money-making tips.